Hey guys, Jennifer here from Jennifer Lynn Interior Design, and we're here today at our red maple leaf project, and I'm here to show you the master bathroom reveal. A few things that were really important to our client when we first started with them was to really expand the shower and give them that spa feeling at home. Also, to improve their lighting and really open the space up by getting rid of the soffit that was above their bathroom sink vanity. Number 3 was really to update the look and feel. It was ready for a makeover, and we did just that. The overall look of this bathroom is an eclectic style. So we really mixed in some traditional farmhouse details with the shiplap on the wall, and also the warmth of the wood was really important to our client to have a little bit of that wood accent shown in the space. Also, we chose to do a woven wood shade to really soften the space with all of the shiplap and the subway tile on the wall. We went with this very fun, enthusiastic tile on the floor that really sort of set the whole tone of this bathroom. So the finish we decided to use is matte black, but we wanted to add in a few pops of gold here and there. So we did that on the cabinet hardware and the sconce lighting. Also, to really soften the space, we chose to do a round mirror instead of a rectangle to really contrast with the straight lines of the shiplap. So the bathtub was actually really important in our planning and design phase. We chose to go with a freestanding acrylic bath that was extra deep for our client so that it was more comfortable for them to take a bath in. Also, we decided to do the faucets out of the wall versus through the floor, again, to just marry back to that streamlined look and feel that we were going for. Adding little details in the bathroom, such as a shampoo niche in the shower or even a niche by the bathtub, really adds a sophisticated elegance to your space. If you'd like to find out more about remodeling your bathroom or maybe doing some updates to your home, check us out online at jenniferlynnid.com. Thanks for watching.